Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see my destination? Yes, I am here at the world famous Brothers Motors. Okay, I'm expecting, is this her? A young lady to come up here with a Durango. I wonder if that's them. Let me go up here and see. She's supposed to meet me here today. She got a ticker. So we gonna figure out what's wrong with this thing and get her fixed. So it is early too, guys. I normally don't get up this early, but let me go see if that's them. And I'll get back with y'all. Stay tuned, let's get it. This is Dodge Durango. It's supposed to be ticking on here, no ticking. Oh, I hear it.
You heard it already, don't you?
Yeah, I heard it. It's pulling up. Yeah, I can hear it. It ain't as bad as I've heard, though. But
yeah, but you know when you drive a car every day,
mm-hmm.
like something ain't right. It's too loud.
Yeah, and it's gonna continue to eat up them camshafts. So
yeah.
that's why you want to get something done.
Okay.
Right. Pop the hood. Let me see something. Yep, this was her. Oh, this is not loud enough to can tell what side, but at any rate, we gonna get her fixed. Yeah, it's a nice one too. It's a nice Durango.
It's a 14. I try to keep a little truck up.
Yeah.
I like it.
Man, let me let you hear it, right? It's not as bad as I thought, and she claimed it was, but it's
loud at me because I don't ever hear nothing.
Yeah, it's there. Don't get me wrong. It's just I've heard extremely loud. Yeah.
That's what it sounds.
Oh, we're gonna get rid of that.
It's loud enough for me. I never hear it, but it's quiet.
Yeah, we're gonna get you all new rocker arms, lifters and things like that. And take a look at your cams and the whole nine. The noise is gonna be gone. Put it that way. All right, guys, I'm in the shop. We got to make some room. Well, y'all know we only lease out 2 stalls, so we got to push this BMW out. In fact, we're gonna put it back there, straight back. My man just got through doing a valve body / TCM. It's like a 8-speed, but the 8-speed from the BMW version. Y'all know ZF make transmission for several car makers, all right? But same situation as ours, guys. The pan, the filter is integrated into the pan and stuff like that. So same situation, guys. But I think he about done with it. So we gonna. It's not done as far as it running. We need some more parts, but we got to push it out to make room for my friend's Durango. Get that ticking done. But it looks like he's been extremely busy, guys. Motors, transmissions. Yes, we swap out over here. Long gone, not long gone are the days of rebuilding engines, but it's very rare that we would even, very rare that we would try to rebuild like something like this. It's almost cost effective or cost efficient to just simply replace it, guys. So, I don't know, did he get that out of here? Somebody want their Hemi replaced. Yeah. Looks like he snagged that up out of here. Yeah, so if we're replacing Hemis, we obviously think it's not worth fixing because we fix Hemis. All right, cam, lifter, pistons, the whole 9 yards. So here's another Hemi. I think this is the one going in. All right, so we're gonna get this slammed into this. This look like a 300. I gotta catch up, guys. See what's been up. It's been a while since I had a chance to swing through here.
Hey.
So you had 180K.
Yeah.
Have you had the transmission service?
No. So when I went the last time, this is what he told me I needed. The only thing that I did on here was the induction.
Induction. Okay, you haven't had the coolant. Mm-mm. You haven't had the throttle body. Mm-mm. And the brakes. So now the transmission is the only one that's really expensive. The pan itself has to be replaced because the filter is built into the pan.
Okay.
It's $200 plus the fluid is $200.
Okay.
So yeah, that's like a $400 transmission job. But that's your See, that transmission lasts a long time, but you over 100,000 miles.
Yeah.
That's when you're supposed to service it.
Okay.
So, oh, okay. So I'm just
So
letting
what
you
you
know.
gonna do?
Yes, please, because I'm gonna have to go to the dealer to get the pan service.
Okay, so-
We're not using the cheap,
Okay.
cheap stuff.
Yeah, hold on. So, based on this list right now, what we gonna do? You gonna do the transmission?
The transmission, that's
Okay.
400 because you're getting a brand new pan and all
Okay,
new
and then you
fluid.
doing
The brake service, the throttle body,
the coolant.
and the coolant.
Okay, those three. Cause I did
You,
the
you,
induction.
your differential has already been serviced.
Yeah, the red differential.
Red differential.
I did that.
Okay. You're not a four-wheel drive, so you don't have a front
Right.
differential.
So
Okay.
I did that service.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Good. That should hold you for a long time after
Okay.
after all of that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
at least we can get all the parts. Because I got to go back to the dealer. I'm supposed to be at work now. I'm going to head to the dealer and get all your lifters. Because
Okay.
remember, we're putting whole new rocker arms on your car.
Okay.
You get rid of the ticket, and I'll pick up the pan service and do all of that then.
Okay, I'm finna go get it now. Come right back.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys, we got some upsells out of this. Some much needed upsells, guys. That's the thing. Upsells getting a bad rep because people seem to always think, oh, they're just trying to. No, guys, this is a 180,000 miles car. Upsells are recommended and needed. All right, don't get it twisted. 180,000 miles. This is a ZF 8-speed, 8 HP transmission. It's never been serviced. It's time to service it. All right, so yes, I don't know why that gets a bad rap like that, but we're gonna get this thing. Yeah, I'm sure he's letting it cool off right now. It's your typical. Oh goodness, that's what I forgot. The spark plugs. I gotta ask her. I gotta ask her about the spark plug. Guys, how did y'all let me forget that? Because that is very important. And not only that, I can give her a discount on the tune-up because I have the intake off. You see what I'm saying? So, in fact, I'm just going to charge her. If she buy the tune-up, I'm just going to charge her for spark plugs. Because remember, guys, everything's going to be off. But this is where your creativity in speaking needs to come in at. I'm going to make her aware. Yes, if you haven't had your tune-up done, it's the best time to do it because I'm going to have the plenum off. And I can squeeze in charging you no labor. Okay, remember, I'm going to be right there. So I'm going to knock all of this. It's just a matter of picking up coils at that point. The plenum already have to come off to do the lifters. So that's how you can get customers to have a soft spot for you guys. I always keep that in mind if you're selling service. All right, so let me go over with my homeboy what we up to, and we're gonna get this thing knocked out.